Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Skype. Today we are going to learn about the how to schedule the messages with the schedule library. Suppose I want to send this particular user a regular interval of times a message to reminder or the automation script, such kind of thing, how I can do with the help of the schedule library. Okay. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So basically function to schedule. Let's suppose I want to send some message to the particular intervals of time. Let's suppose here we have example schedule a message to a user at a specific time. So here you can mention the specific time and then it will send the message accordingly. Okay. So let's use this function and use this library. I think I have already made something. So let me no. Let's control Z this. I have already make it. Yeah, this is that one. Okay, so list chat IDs we have. Okay, and then we need to send the message, schedule a message sending function, right? Or just control Y this. I will use the current one. Okay, so here we go with our function schedule library. Okay, chat IDs we require. We don't require this one, so I'm going to comment this. Okay, so here we go with chat IDs. Then we will go with the function schedule message to every, send message to user. We require the send message to user function. This is that one, individual. So let's uncomment this one. Okay, and we require the chat IDs on everything. So let's uncomment this also. Okay, and there is issue. What is the issue? It's commenting. Let's X this. Let's paste this. Okay. Control Z. I need to paste it over here. Okay, so user dot name, what it says, schedule message to user, where it is schedule message to user, username and the message, send message to user. Let's try to save this. Anything else we have skipped? Schedule, I think it should be there. Let's try to run this. Okay, the name username is not defined. Schedule message to user, schedule message to user, message to user, username this, time and the string. Okay, schedule every, then we have this one and then this one. So it says that the user dot username is not defined, so we have the username, right? So let's add the user dot username, but it's defined. I think it should be come over this on the top of it. Control X this and make it like this, because here we have defined the username and the message and send message to user. This function should be also get into the above. Okay, now it's okay. So send username and this chat ID and then automated message at the user at a specific time. Okay, so let's try to send it, but I think currently it's 7.6. So let me add the 707 we can make. It's coming. I think no. So let's restart again. It should be sent on 7.7. Again, invalid time format for the daily job. Valid format is HMSS. So previous is what? So we'll make it like 707. Then what happened? Let's see, the messages are coming. I think 7 6, we have multiple messages are coming. Hello, this is an automated message, so I think the messages are going. Let's change something over to it, right? Message with this one. Let's try to resend again. Okay, so multiple time messages will go over there. And here you can see this is an automated messages, so you can specify the regular intervals of time and it will send the message. What we have to do, let me explain you. So we have to install the schedule, so pip install schedule library. Okay, so list chat IDs that you will retrieve to get the which ID you want to chat. Okay, schedule message function, username, message, and the time string we require. Schedule dot every day at particular interval of time you can mention, or regular interval of time you can mention. Okay, so username and the password you have, username and the message you have to send, then send user message. This is basically which user you want to send the message. Okay, and this is our username message, and send message to the user. Then call this schedule message to user with username, message, and the time. Okay, so this will help to run the schedule after a regular interval of time. Okay, so this is how you can automate the script. If you want any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Here you can see I have one chat that is not there. Okay, that's a different one. Okay, so this is how we have done that. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Have a great day.